Okay, we're now going to have a look at the product section. I'll divide this screencast in two because it's a bit long. So we're here in the dashboard where you log in. You can scroll down here and go to products. Let's go to products, all products. And let's have a look. Let's say at the non-dimmable globe. Click on it. Here you have a preview of all the products that you have. The stock quantity, the price, the categories that it belongs to, the tags. So let's have a look. It works more or less the same way of the news. So you have your title, which is the name of the product. In this text area here, all the copy that you'll put in here, it will be displayed down here in the description. There's another text area for the description on top, below the price. I'll show you later. Same thing for the news, the publishing section. You can schedule to post the product in the future. You can preview the changes and just update it or publish it. Product categories. These are all the categories that we have. And we can add more. You can add it on the fly, click in here, or through the categories section here. Each category needs to have a picture, so I suggested do it from this section here, but I'll show you later. So let's say this product here belongs to the commercial, retail, domestic, and MR16. We can probably put another category under here, but I'm not sure about it, so we'll leave it as it is. Product tags. It's a globe and it's non-dimmable, so we've added those. Here's the featured image. Featured image, I showed you before in the how to do it in the news. You can click on it. You can re-upload the file or go to the gallery if you have already uploaded some images. I'll show you a list of the images. Say this one, we want to use this one itself as a featured image. You just click on here and it will change the featured image there. But we don't want to do that in a moment. So let's close this section. Now, product data. This is a very important section here, where you have the first general tab. So first thing, for most of these products, we need to use variable product type rather than simple product, simply because if we have different colors, it's a different item, and so we need to manage a stock for it. So in general, we have the code as for our own use, the weight, and the dimensions if we have them. Second tab, taxes. I've just put in the GST, so that's taken care of. Inventory. You can choose to manage a stock. You set your own stock quantity, and every time you sell a product, then it will be automatically it will go down. It's in stock. You can choose in stock or out of stock. And back order simply means that if it's allowed, the orders go below zero. The stock quantity goes below zero. Can go below zero. Shipping, we still haven't figured it out, but we will. And at that point, we'll be able to choose a shipping class. Related products. Here you can choose upsells and cross-sells. Upsells are the products that appear under the actual product that you're looking at. So like the recommended products. The cross-sales are products that appear in the cart, when you're in the checkout section. To add a product, you can simply search for, let's say, non-dimmable. Allow a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds, and you can choose between the products that you want to show. Let's say this one, and there it is. You can add more, keep searching. Now, the attributes, this tab here, it's very important. The attributes show in the main product page as additional information, and it's all this, it's specs. And they have to put it in this in this fashion, simply because it's more organized, and for some of them, the attribute, let's say the color, it's used as a variation of the product. So we have the product description, what it is, it's visible on the product page, not used for variation. Beam angle, 50 degrees, you can put one or more values. But let's look at the color here, true white, natural white, and warm white. And this is used for variations. The other ones are the same, and I'll show you now the variations. The advanced doesn't really, you can enable reviews, but we don't need to touch it. The variations is where you take care of your pricing, being a variable product. So let's say the warm white has got its own code, it's enabled, its own stock quantity, price. You can put the sale price if you're doing a sale. So let's say it goes out for 50. It'll appear in the front page. The weight, the shipping class and tax class will be the same as parent, so it can be left alone. Natural white and true white. And here you can choose what the default selection is. So natural white. You can add variations, but I'll show you that later when we add a new product, and so this is all blank. The show description is the one that appears up here under the price, and you can just grab a bit of text from the main description, put your PDF download, and product benefits if you have them. And down here you can see the reviews that have been posted for the product. This here is on yellow because it hasn't been approved yet, and I don't think it will be approved because it looks like spam to me. So at this point, from this section of the product, you can choose to approve, reply, spam, or trash it. If you click on spam, usually this IP will be banned from posting any comment, and this is yours. Here you can add multiple product images, so you can manage images and add as many as you like. Same way, the media library works the same way. So yeah, here you have the images that you have uploaded, that I have uploaded here, and you can upload new images with upload. The same way, dropping a file or selecting a file. That's about it for looking at it. I don't think we need to look at anything else. Now, in the next screencast, I'll show you how to upload a product from scratch. Okay.